This is Kiranya from Red to Green Trading. Sir, can we do money through intraday trading? Is my personality suited for trading first of all? What is that one course which can get me or make me profitable in intraday trading? So these are all the very frequently asked questions which come across in trading field. Even I have come across so many of these questions, and answer is very simple. For all the three questions, there is a single answer, that is, see, market doesn't adjust to you. You should get adjusted to the market. It's not that market is suitable for you, intraday is it suitable for you, or the swing trading suitable for you. You need to understand what exactly happens in intraday, what exactly happens in swing trading, also position trades. So there is a unique route which you need to follow. I know these questions are very frequently asked. I know why they ask these questions, because that is something very common. Because whoever it is, if you are a new trader, it's all looking very new to you, and the overall perspective, what exactly market is, you have known only 2% of it. So once you come to know step by step, once you go deep into what market is all about, then these questions will not arise, because at that time you will know what suits you better, what is your personality, and what changes you can make yourself to get adjusted to the market. So the best advice what I'm going to give you is, initially, do not do intraday. Intraday is something which is not suited for you, my dear friend. You cannot make money. You can never make money in intraday trading, because see, the very platform why the intraday is made is to take money from retail traders. See, what is trading? Trading is something where the movement should happen. There should be some movement, either down or up, wherever it is. If it is in the same place, you can't make money. And if the movement is slow enough, then also you can't make money. It should be fast. It should travel quite a distance. But how many days do you think in intraday it moves around? Why you are not able to make money in intraday is there is not much of a movement which happens in intraday. If at all you see a hourly chart or 3-hour chart, there is a movement you can see, but for a day it only goes so far, and next day only so much, next day only so much. So that's the reason you will not make money. In that small distance, it comes down, its stop loss goes up, and again it comes down, it makes a higher high, it makes a lower low. It looks as if it is going to make a big move, but you will not be able to capture the full movement in a day. So that's the main reason why people don't ever do money in intraday. You cannot do in intraday, because initially you are a new trader, you just see the graph going up in hourly chart or 3-hour chart or a daily chart. You think that this is the way it moves around, and you wait for some resistance or a support point, you take a trade there and just sit like a normal person who is waiting for the market to move. But will it move? It will not move, my dear friends. It will never move. How long you'll see? I have taken trades and I have waited hours together. Full day I have waited. I still remember one day I took a trade at 10 o'clock till 2:45. There is no breakout happening in that particular retracement. So I was waiting throughout. I was waiting for such a long period, and at last, when it came near 3 o'clock or 2:45, I thought there's no use waiting in this trade. Maybe I'll continue it next day, and it came out. It stopped till 3:15 also. It was same, but 3:20 it made a massive move. Being a novice trader, will you know that? No, you will not. Can you capture that? No, you cannot capture that, because there is a fear inside your mind. There is a fear which is stopping you, because there is a limitation which is being put to you, that is called intraday. Whereas if you take a positional trade, if you take a swing trade and you are not using the leverage, you are taking only the quantity which suits your capital. Then you need not sit in front of the system. You need not wait for the moment. You just take your trade, put the stop loss and forget it. You very well know, or if you don't know also, you just stay there, see at 3 o'clock. If it is not done, fine, just leave it off. Next day you see, still it is not done, fine, leave it. But maybe after some days it should move. You will get the movement. But what is the difference? There you have the pressure of closing the trade by 3 o'clock. Here there's no pressure. And again, there you have utilized the leverage which is given by the broker. That is the trap, my dear friends. That's the trap which is going to suck you or pull you towards intraday trading. Please try and understand, there is only 2%, maximum 2%. That too, I have not come across a person in person. I have not come across a person who has made a substantial amount in intraday or who's making money consistently in intraday. That is something which is impossible. That is impossible, my dear friends. Whereas, as Warren Buffett has told, losing money in trading is impossible. Yes, that is true. In my 5 years of trading, I've seen that in positional or in swing trading, losing money is impossible. Impossible, my dear friends. You'll not believe. As a trader, even I had not believed that this is going to happen. I'll just give you an best example for this. What happened? I started usually as like any other trader or any other new trader starts. I just implemented whatever capital I had. I started with that, maybe around 1.5 lakhs. I started with full 1.45 lakhs. I just blew it off within a span of 3 months. Everything was gone. Then I thought, no, this is not suited for us. Maybe my horoscope or something will not match this particular trading or a trading field. And then what I did, I just had maybe around 1,500 rupees in my account. I thought I'll not take this. Instead, I'll just take some 4 stocks and leave it off. I took 4 stocks, and this was in my wife's account. It was not in my account actually. In my wife's account I was trading. I had a different account of myself. I just left it off. 1,500. I took some 4 stocks. I don't remember the names. That I saw only after 1.5 years. 1.6 years I saw later, and I wanted to close that account after 1.5 years. At that time I just opened it. To my surprise, I see that those 4 stocks where I'd invested 1,500 rupees had become 3.5 thousand. A person who was bad mouthing the trading all these days, that one incident changed my perspective towards trading. Oh, what is this? I thought, I never saw the charts. I never saw where the entry was. I never put the stop loss. But still, every stock, all the 4 stocks has come to positive levels. Why is that? Because there's no pressure. Human mind is not used there. Yes, same way, each and every one can make money in trading. How is that possible? Do not put into a pressure of earning money in this stage. Don't put yourself in a pressured position where you need to earn money every month, every day, every week. Is it possible in any other endeavors you work or you're seen in your career? No, it is not possible. The trading is not run that way. If at all you want to make consistent profit, even though you're a new trader, I'll give you a very best tip for you. Just keep whatever amount you have. Don't go to lakhs or thousands or 10 lakh, 15 lakhs and all. Start with a small capital. Start with 15,000, 10 to 15,000. I'll give you the stocks. Or you yourself see. You yourself go into the chart and check if at all it is making higher high. Wherever you want, you just take the trade. Wherever, any place you want. But only thing is, in daily time frame, it should be making higher high. Higher low, higher low, higher high. That's it. Just take 3 points and enter wherever you want. But one caution is, whatever capital you're using, divided by 5 parts. For example, if at all you're using 20,000 rupees divided by 5, 5 divided by 20 is how much? 400 rupees. I mean 4,000 rupees. So what you're supposed to do, one stock 4,000 is the max you're going to invest. If the stock price is 1,000 rupees, you're only taking 4 stocks. If it is 500 rupees, you're taking 8 stocks. If it is 200 rupees, you're taking 5 into 4, 20 stocks. And forget it. Don't see every day. Don't look at it every hour, every minute. No. If you see it every day, your mind, your conscious effort, the consciousness, what you have inside, automatically tells you if at all it is going down, it tells you to come out. Or if it is going up, it tells you to come out. That is how we are born and brought up. That should not be used in trading. Just put it, forget it, see the next week, not even next day, next week. Where the low is, just put a stop loss on that and forget. And you see that the stock slowly comes down. It makes some sort of a retracement over there. It slowly takes its journey towards its destination. You will be shocked to see this. You will be amazed. You will admire whatever I have told you. Yes, my dear friends, money can be made in stock market. That's true. But you need to have a lot of patience, no greed, no expectations from the market. Why we do intraday is we have a lot of expectations after seeing the video outside, after seeing so many videos, people making thousands, lakhs, crores, everything. We think that even we can make that money. Yes, of course you can make that money, but only with a lot of experience. So initial experience of this is very, very important so that you yourself will go to the next stage. You will understand how the market is working. And from there, you will have all the idea what you need to do next. But initially, do not jump into intraday trading and do not pump in more capital and start taking huge quantities. That will not work. Once you take the quantities which is more than your mind capacity, then no way you're going to stay in that trade. If it is either going up or going down, if it is either in profitable stage or in the reverse stop loss, I mean in the loss stage, you will not be able to carry on with that. If you do that, you're gone. The market has already occupied you. It has already taken you into its grip. So the simple thing is, as a new trader, do not do intraday. Start with swing trading. Start with small capital. Divide your capital into 5 or 6 parts and take stocks which comes within that limit. Okay? Thank you so much.